Hey everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about Warren Buffett's top 9 assets that are better than cash if you want to retire early in 2024. Warren Buffett is known as one of the greatest investors of all time, so when he talks, smart investors listen. While Buffett does believe cash is king, he has mentioned there are some assets that are even better than cash if you want to build long-term wealth. Let's count down his top 9 picks. Number 1, art. While volatile, art has outperformed stocks over the long run. Famous pieces tend to increase in value over decades. Just think of all those stories you hear about people buying a Picasso painting for a few $1,000s years ago that is now worth millions. Number 2, luxury watches. Luxury watch brands like Rolex, Omega, and Patek Philippe hold value incredibly well, with limited edition and vintage models often appreciating greatly in resale value due to scarcity and collectability. Precision craftsmanship makes them retain value. Number 3, commodities. Commodities like gold, silver, oil, and agricultural goods can be a hedge against inflation over the long term. Buffett suggests buying a low-cost index fund that tracks a diversified basket of commodities to benefit from rising prices over time. Number 4, livestock. Raising cattle, pigs, chickens or other livestock provides inflation-resistant revenue, as demand for food and thus livestock prices tend to steadily rise over time. Livestock can give farm owners recurring income streams and capital gains. Number 5, real estate. Real estate's tangible value, leverage options, and tax advantages make it appealing to Buffett. Real estate has historically appreciated above inflation, with rental income providing steady cash flow. Careful selection is key. Number 6, vintage cars. Vintage cars from the 1950s to 1960s, like muscle cars and rare models, can hugely appreciate based on scarcity, collectability, and cultural interest. But you need to buy the right cars and maintain them well. Number 7, raw materials. Raw materials like lumber, steel, copper, and other metals have intrinsic value tied to industrial applications. As economies grow, demand rises, driving up prices and making them a good inflation hedge. Number 8, land. Buffett favors land as it has limited supply. Plots like farmland possess inherent value and steadily gain value over time without paying dividends. But selection and economic conditions are critical. Number 9, you. Investing in your own skills, education, and capabilities boosts future earning potential. Buffett views self-improvement as the top investment, as the more knowledge you gain, the higher your income possibilities become. So there you have it, Warren Buffett's top 9 assets better than cash if you want to retire early. Let me know in the comments which of these assets you find most appealing. Be sure to subscribe for more videos on investing tips. Thanks for watching.